Hey, what is going on everyone? This is Sangram and I'm back with another video on PHP. Now we will discuss arrays in PHP. So these are pretty important in any programming language, and so we will discuss indexed array. So array, as we all know, are comma separated sequential values, and these are very important, so we will discuss it with the code. So we have taken one file, array.php. You can name it anything you want, and inside this I will take a languages array. Okay, so I'll just name it array. Okay, this is not how I want, so yeah, array. And inside this I will add the names of the programming languages. So C, C++, you can add whatever you want. PHP, my favorite language. You can add Python. Okay, Python is also cool. So I have the name of these languages, and okay, so now that this is done, I will just uh, print out the values. So how do we print out? We use uh, echo statement. So over here we want to print out value number, let's say PHP. So PHP is at position 2 from indexing point of view in arrays. So this is 0 1 2. So this is at number 2 position. So let's say we print it out and just run it over here. Let me just minimize and run it. Yeah, we get the PHP. Now you can try printing all the values if you want. Let's say this is value number 1, 2, and this is 3. Okay, so this is done, and let me just refresh it. That's it. We can see the values over here. These are not looking good, and this is not a good practice to fetch array values. What I can do is I can use for loop, so that it will save my time, and it will save lots of lines. So instead of let me just remove this. Okay, I'm sorry. Over here we want to run our loop for 4 times. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take count of the array values, and we'll use languages over here, and it will run that many times. Okay, so over here we have okay, so now I'll just go ahead and print out the values. So we are using languages array, so I'll take $languages, and inside this I'll just use $I. That's it, we are done. It will print out the array values. I will also take a br. I usually write it after loop. Okay, not after loop. Okay, now you can see the values over here. C, C++, PHP, Python. Using loop, it becomes really easy to fetch array values, and that's how you use indexed array in PHP. If you have any doubts, you can leave your comments, and I'll go through them. And if you really like, please hit like and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.